Hi guys, so today I'm going to give you an introduction to persuasive writing. We are going to be practicing writing persuasively during the month of December. So our goal is at the bottom in the blue there. It says, I can write my opinion persuasively to convince someone. So now let's learn what persuasive writing is. Here we go. So what is persuasive writing? Persuasive writing is when you try to write your opinion in a way that convinces others to believe you. And there's a picture of a little boy and he says, I like apples and you should too. Persuasive writing tries to make people feel the same way that you do about a topic. So it's really important to remember that persuasive writing is your opinion. This is really important because if I am writing grass is green, that is not my opinion. That's a fact. Everybody can see that the grass is green. All you have to do is go outside and see it. Everybody would agree. But some things in life are opinions. That means that different people feel different ways, and it's okay to feel different ways. So persuasive writing is when I write about my opinion. That means a way that others might not agree with, and I'm trying to convince other people to agree with me. Now let's learn how to do that. How do I write persuasively? First step is I need to tell my opinion, that part of how I feel about something that other people might not agree. Here are two examples, and I did them in pink, and you'll see why on the next page, because there is a second step to writing persuasively. So this first step is in pink. Number 1, ice cream sundaes are the best food. So I'm giving you my opinion that ice cream sundaes are the best food. But other people, including yourself, might have a different opinion. Number 2, today is a great day to play outside. Again, I'm giving you my opinion, but other people, including you, might feel differently. So this is the first step, is I'm giving my opinion. Ice cream sundaes are the best food, and today is a great day to play outside. Those are two different examples. Now here's the second step for persuasive writing. I have to give a reason to support my opinion. So when I tell you ice cream sundaes are the best food, that's probably not going to convince you, because if you like a different food, me telling you that that's my opinion is not going to change your mind. But if I use a reason, it might change your mind. Here we go. Ice cream sundaes are the best food because you can use any yummy toppings you like. So I added this blue reason, because you can use any yummy toppings you like, to convince you that ice cream sundaes are the best food. So I'm trying to convince you to agree with me that ice cream sundaes are the best food. Here was my second example. Today is a great day to play outside. That's my opinion. Now I'm going to add my reason. Because the sun is shining. So I'm giving you a reason to agree with me, to convince you to believe the same thing that I do. Today is a great day to play outside. So there are two steps to writing persuasively. First, give your opinion. That's the pink part of my examples. And then second, give a reason to support your opinion. This is kind of like your evidence to prove that your opinion is right. That's the blue part of my examples. All right, so now you are going to do your own persuasive writing. So going back to our goal today, I can write my opinion persuasively to convince someone. You're going to give it a try today for the first time. You're going to find your paper in your packet that says, what do you like to do at recess? There are 3 pictures, a slide, monkey bars, and a swing. I want you to color just the one picture that you like to do at recess the most. There might be other things you like to do at recess, but I want you to choose which one of those 3 you like the most. You're going to color just that picture, and then you're going to fill in the blanks in the sentence. I like the blank. You can fill in slide, monkey bars, or swings because blank, and then you're going to fill in your reason. When you're done, I want you to read it to someone and try to persuade or convince them that your opinion is the correct one. Try to get them to agree with you. Good luck, friends. Have a great time. Bye.